So after all that, we just got back up again into the boat. Now we're gonna go and have lunch first. Lunch break. We just finished our first dive, and apparently this guy, the freaking guy is here. They saw barracuda, and I missed it. Apparently they're trying to like tell me that it was there, but I missed it.
Is it on the GoPro?
But we got it on the GoPro, so yeah. And it was so nice. I saw 5-6 Nemos. Like, it's like, I felt like I was in a movie, and I thought about you, Mano. Mommy, love you so much. Mwah. That one's for you, baby. One day we're gonna go diving together, okay? Lunch break. Selamat makan. So how do you think I go today?
Very good.
Don't lie. Is it okay?
Yeah, the thing is
for
like
beginner?
normally like from the beginner this is like already really good because like you're not coming up, coming down, coming up, coming down. You can control it.
Yeah.
And then also like when you have you need to be equalized.
Yeah.
You can realize like okay, this is the time I do. And then like when you dial with equalize, you go up a little bit. And then you start doing again. That's really nice. Really nice. Really nice.
Okay. So for first time beginner it's good.
Yeah.
Yay! I passed the exam. I want to see octopus and then I want to eat it.
So ready for next dive.
Gede-gede octopusnya.